Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'm at the shipper right now, Monday morning. This load going to Iowa, Nebraska border. 600 miles, $1,800. So hope you like this video. If you like it, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I parked my truck around 1 week at the yard. So look what happened. Poor birdie. There's 3 eggs in there. While they loading my load, I have to go to office and pick up the paperwork.
For a limited time, you can mix and mix sweet and salty flavors to dial in those snack settings just right.
Good morning, everybody. Beautiful morning. They're unloading my load. I just went to the bathroom and washed my face. So this load is done. After this one, 1 hour, 20 minutes to drive to pick up and going to Indiana, $1,000. I had to go back to Illinois. It's because if I won't go to Illinois and somewhere else, I'm afraid to stuck over there. If I go back to Illinois somehow, I can get almost $3 a mile load from there. So yeah, let's go. Okay, down here. Next load is bricks, like this kind of. The office is right here. Right now, 11:30 a.m. I didn't eat nothing today. So after I pick up, I'm planning to cook some food, but really quickly. I don't know what should I eat right now. Maybe some rice and beef. Beef slice I cooked in air fryer, and then white rice. Just a simple food, seasoned with this stick seasoning. There's a gate over there, so I can't get in. He's gonna pick up the load and bring them inside. After this one, I have to drive 2 hours to pick up from Elkhurst, Indiana to Nebraska. Almost 700 miles for delivery. I already checked in, so they said I have to back in number 4. Where's number 4? Okay, so right here. They're gonna load me outside. This load is going to Fairbury, Nebraska. 680. Looks like around 700 miles. Right now my ETA is around 1 a.m. so maybe 1 hour 30 minutes, maybe probably 2 hours. They're gonna load me and then continue drive. It's gonna be a long drive today. Okay, hello guys. Yesterday I went to the shipper, right? Last video, and then load wasn't ready yesterday, and then I asked them when it will be ready, and then they said tomorrow morning, which is today, today morning. And then I went back today, but load wasn't ready today either. And then unfortunately that load is not gonna ready today either, so I'm trying to get another load, but that load wasn't gonna load on Conestoga trailer. So now I'm at my yard. I'm going home right now. So unfortunately this week is a little bit failed. So see you all guys on next week. Hopefully next week we're gonna be better. Trucking is always not like this, but sometimes it will happen. Sometimes every week is not successful, at least for me. You know, like, this is my life, this is my job, so something will happen. I'm not disappointed, just going home and rest, spend time with my family. So I hope you like this video. See you guys on next week. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.